Hey, I wanted to demo this StewMac Ghost Drive pedal. Ordered that online. It's basically a DIY kit, and I think it sounds pretty good. It's like a clon type circuit. And I've got these two pickups playing, and I'll just be using my fingers right now. I'll switch to a pick later, and I'll also switch to the bridge pickup so you can hear that. But this is the clean tone. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on here. It's kind of a low drive setting. Alright, let's play with this a little bit. I'm gonna crank up the overdrive. And I'll switch to a pick, and I'll switch to this bridge pickup over here. Compared to the clean here. I'm going to put some effects on the Kemper too, so here we go. Back to the dry signal. I'll add a little delay and reverb over here. So now I got a little more to the signal. Okay, for the clean tone. And let's dial in something soft. So I'll turn this all the way down, turn this on. There we go. Switch this. Switch to this one. I'll add more dirt over here. Maybe a darker tone, a little bit less treble here. A lot of gain. Cool. Real bright with it now. Roll the gain back a little and put it real bright. Anyway, that's about it.